What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's Master O'Neil. I've been gone for a couple of months, but I promise you guys, daily uploads coming back soon. Weekly uploads coming back soon. Today, I have another easy kompa Chake for you guys. As always, I will play it first, then afterwards, I'll show you how to do the movement. We're in the key of C. Shout out to Église de Dieu. You guys go subscribe to this channel, man. Good music, good music. As you guys see, it goes very well with the music. It sits very well. It's like so smooth. It's so smooth. It's a vibe, bro. Honestly, it's really a vibe, bro. You don't have to do nothing much. You don't have to do nothing else after that. You could just do that for the whole kompa groove, literally. But let's get straight into what I was doing. It's really two chords, honestly. It's the your 5 and your 6. So what I do is I arpeggiate the 6. See, that's a part of the 6 as well. The A is just the 7th, but I'll put it in the middle. That's it. So basically, if I'm counting, it'll be 3, 1, 6, 5, 3. That's the first part. Then after that, I arpeggiate. Now see, I go to the middle. I go 3, 1, 6, 5, 3, 1, 6, 5. Let's restart. Y'all see it? And the next one will be your 5. But I don't play the regular 5. I play I play the add 2. But I take out the G. So basically 2, 7, 6, 4, 2. You could think of it as a B, you could think of it as a 2, but a B is really just a G7 if you think about it. Here's a B. You put the G, it's a G7. So if it's the 7th or a 5, it's the same thing, honestly, same thing. Don't try to confuse yourself. Let's restart. 2, 7, 6, 4, 2. That's it. Then after that I do 2, 7, 6, 5, 2, 7, 6, 5. Restart. Put the A minor. You can even go to the 7. Go to the 7. Okay, when you go to the 7 though, you would go 4, 2, 7, 4, 2, 4, 2, 7, 6, 4, 2, 7, 6. That's the difference when you go to the 7th. When you go to the 7th, instead of doing the 5, that's what you change up. but the left hand stays the same. Like these two notes on the left hand stay the same. The F and the 2. Your 4 and your 2 stay the same. The only thing that you're changing is instead of playing a G, you come up and play a 6. Restart. Let's restart from the top. Let's play a 7. And you can come back down to the 5. Go to the 7. And then you could play the F, the 1, the F. My fault. You could play the 4, the 1, the 4. Like that. Just like that. That's it. Or you could play 6, 5, 4. 6, 5, 4. 6, 5, 4. Let's practice it with the music. Y'all see how it goes, man. It's very simple. It's very simple, man. Stay tuned. More videos coming soon. Until next time, I'm out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. Helps the channel go faster. Peace.